Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Hello app. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Hello app. Then in this page of app info we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.